All right, guys. So I feel like a lot of the videos that I do along the lines of how to get new recruiting clients and how to do sales and marketing for your recruiting business have some type of LinkedIn element to them. I'm a big believer in LinkedIn, as you all probably know. Obviously, other channels you can use with cold email and different, resources out there, but LinkedIn has been just a phenomenal tool for my own recruiting business and a lot of my members as well. And so I'm going to create a channel that is geared and focused just towards LinkedIn strategies and tips and tricks on my YouTube channel. And we're going to start today. I'm going to interview some of my members who've had great success, like Clarence Thomas, like Parker Cheney, like John Murray, like Mary. The list goes on and on. So for this video right here, I want to show you a way that you can reach out to brand new hiring managers, build relationships, and be out of the box and be unique and separate yourself from most recruiters out there with this little tip and trick I'm going to show you right now. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. All right. So every morning you wake up, you have an opportunity to go into your LinkedIn account and see what people within your network, your first degree network, have changed jobs or been promoted or received a new job. Now, why is that important? So this is an opportunity for you to build a relationship with a brand new hiring manager who's going to have responsibilities of hiring. Most hiring managers in divisions of companies, whether they're VPs, directors, EVPs, SVPs, who you should be targeting, have a budget they need to manage and a P&L. And part of that budget is headcount, and they are responsible for hiring X amount of people every year. So what better way than to get in front of a hiring manager when they just get promoted, when they just land a new job, and be their go-to recruiter? That's the first thing. The second thing I'm going to show you is a way to know of everyone's birthdays. Okay, that's important too, because I'm going to show you a really cool way to get out in front of that, to send a personalized card via mail to that either candidate or hiring manager. Okay, so let's go ahead and let me show you exactly how this works. Maybe you've seen this, maybe you haven't. But for today's lesson on LinkedIn strategies, I'm going to go ahead and click on my network. And then right here, guys, celebrations. Each and every one of you watching this, you have a free LinkedIn account. And all you got to do is go to my network, go right here and click see all. Now, when you do that, your feed's going to come up here of people that are within your first degree network that are making changes, right? So right here, congratulate Ingrid on starting a new position as owner at the spa. And it goes down, right? So what I do is I like to go through here and see people that are relevant to my recruiting niche. And let me see if I can find some here. Usually right off the bat, I can. All right, so here's one right here. We got Glenn, who's starting a new position as Senior Director, Market Expansion at BreezeLine. All right, I don't know much about BreezeLine, nor do I know much about Glenn, but I do know that he's now a Senior Director as of 4 days ago. Chances are he's going to have responsibilities for hiring. Going down here, Joe, same thing, Associate VP at Tilson. Tilson is a big telecom company within my niche, my recruiting niche. So Joe is someone that I want to start building relationships. So what do? Okay, first thing is, obviously, let's go to this post. Let's like it. Let's engage. Let's comment. Tell Joe congrats. Definitely be doing that every day as part of your outbound activity. That's very important. So two things I would do with Joe and with Glenn. Number one, I'm going to go into my video dub account that I use to send personalized one-on-one videos out through LinkedIn that are animated, that have a 90% open rate, 20 to 30% reply rate. I'm going to put my affiliate link here in the comments where you can get a free trial and a discount as well if you want to try this out. By the way, guys, if you like what you're seeing right here, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. More to come, great value for you. All right, so what do? Send a video. Hey, Joe, Russell Liebowitz here with Connection. I just noticed that you got promoted to a VP over there at Tilson. Congratulations. Hey, Joe, I've got a great pipeline of project managers, construction managers, engineers right now. Safe to say that you're going to have some hiring needs coming up here and maybe you need a recruiter to turn to. So I want to be that recruiter of choice. Wanted to get in front of this. Number one, congratulate you on this phenomenal new position that you have in your career. And I'm here for you when you need me. My calendar is below. My contact information is below. And if you want me to send you any candidates, no harm, no foul. We've got a few right now I can send you. Just let me know and go ahead and book with me. Joe, have a great day. Right? So guys, I'm winging it right now, but that's the idea, right? Get a one-on-one video out to that person, letting them know that you're aware they have a great new promotion, new job, job change, whatever it is. Guarantee you recruiters are not doing this. And this is going to set you apart from them. Okay, the second thing you could do is back it up with a handwritten card. I use this awesome service called Handwritten, so handwritten.com. And I think for less than $10, I can send a postcard out to Joe, right? So right here, handwritten, AI powered, starts at $3.25. I think with a stamp, when it's all said and done, you're like around $7. So I've done a bunch of these. And you go in here, you log into your account, and you can customize your card. Here's one I send to a lot of the candidates that I place. I go ahead and put my logo in here, my Recruitemy logo or my ConnectGen logo, which you can upload. You can even send out a gift card. So Handwritten has partnerships with Starbucks, with Target, I think Walmart, I believe Carrabba's, which I love. So you guys can put a gift card in here. I usually send like a $5 or $10 Starbucks gift card out with this example that I'm showing you. So really great way, again, to stand out. So what you want to do is send the video to Joe or to Glenn, back it up with a handwritten letter. You can even say, hey, Joe, hey, Glenn, shot you a quick video. I noticed that you've got a new job over there at BreezeLine or Tilson. Congratulations. I'm a recruiter within your niche and would love to partner with you one day. Here's my information. Okay. So that's a great way to kind of stand out and be different. Another really cool thing about this LinkedIn feature is, again, guys, you can do birthdays. So all the birthdays that you want to see here you go. So there could be some really influential people within your niche that you may want to reach out to and say, happy birthday, right? So maybe don't just do it through LinkedIn, although good place to start, but send a letter to them, right? Maybe call them and just start dialogue and conversation. I mean, wouldn't it be cool to just call, William here and say, hey, William, Russell Liebowitz here with ConnectGen. I know we're on LinkedIn together. Hey, I just want to say happy birthday to you and just start a conversation. Okay, guys? What's the worst that happens? They hang up on you? We're in sales. Who cares? But what if they say, man, thanks so much. No one's ever done that. Then you just build a relationship and, don't ask them for business, but be their friend, build a friendship, which will then turn in to obviously business down the road. Okay. So really cool way to stand out. And then you have work anniversaries too, which you have your insights right here as to people that have been with the company for a certain amount of years. So you can congratulate them on that, get a video out to them, get a card out to them about their work anniversary. So I have just been using this recently. I love it. I think it's something that gives you really good insights into people. So this is a great way, guys, to stand out. And again, job changes, birthdays, work anniversaries, just click on your network right here on the top and it'll bring you into celebrations and just click see all. And on the left-hand side, you can kind of filter through it. All right, guys. So if this gave you some value, please smash the like button below. Give me a thumbs up. And there'll be more LinkedIn tips and secrets coming your way in this channel for you. Have a great day, guys. Thanks.